Welcome back, aliens. The next meetup is in Pune on October 20. The exact timing, location you will get in the mail. But for that, you have to register yourself. So in the description area, you will find a link. This is basically a Google form where you have to enter your details so that the first 100 registrations will receive a mail about the confirmation. Yeah, but for the confirmation, you have to also pay the fees, registration fees, which is 50 rupees. Last time we did the same for Bangalore. The only thing is, when we keep it for free, a lot of people mail but they don't show up. So I want only those people who are really interested to be a part of the meetup. And of course, if we are reserving your seat, you have to be there, right? Because a lot of other people are missing out. So we'll be getting a lot of registrations. So for that, you have to make sure that you register quickly. So in the description, you will find a link. Register yourself so that you will receive a mail. And make sure that when you receive a mail, you have to pay the fees and register it as quick as possible. So again, the date will be October 20. The venue is still not fixed. We are talking to some co-working space. But if you have someone in your mind, if you know some institute who can give us some space so that we can do a meetup, so you'll find the mail ID in the description as well. So yeah, that's it. That's it from this video. I hope you will be there in the meetup. So I'm excited for the Pune meetup. Again, will be doing some more meetups, don't worry. So let me in the comment section about the meetup where you want so that we can plan for that as well. So that's it, everyone. Bye-bye.